Hello everyone, welcome to CAD Tools for beginners. And in this tutorial, we will create our first sketch with the help of lines. So let us start with the part design, start mechanical design and the part design. Keep the part name as it is. And here now you can see here the datum planes are showing here. We need the axis system. So we can just hide those planes and we can insert the axis system at a 0 0 location. So if you want this to be applied to every session, then we can just turn on the settings, go to the tools, go to the options and select this option, create an axis system. So now whenever we open a new session, the axis system will automatically opens up. So let us try start mechanical design and a part design and just OK. So now you can see this is automatically opened and the planes are getting hidden. Okay, so let's start with the first sketch. So go to the sketch positioning. So now I will draw on the top plane. Again, this alignment you should know. Just swap it. Keep this vertical on the positive y-axis and on the positive z-axis here, and the H on the positive y-axis. Just click OK. So now we are into the sketch environment. So we'll see this toolbar here. So just change the orientation of it. So let's discuss about the profile toolbar here. So the first command over here is profile, then the rectangle. If you see in the drop down, you can see multiple types of rectangles here. The first is a simple rectangle, oriented rectangle, parallelogram, elongated hole, etc. And also there are multiple types of circle profiles here, then the spline, the ellipse, parabola, then the line. You can see the infinite line here, the bitangent line, the bisecting line, and beside that there is axis and the point. You can see the points also different types. So first is the simple point by clicking, point by using the coordinates, the equidistant points, and here the intersection point. So there are multiple profiles available in this toolbar. So first we will discuss about the profile and the line toolbar. So just select the line option. To select the line, just click on it and you can use the lead line. So to create one profile here by selecting the line multiple times. So you have to select it every time. So now we will use the profile command. Just select the profile, and with the profile you can add the curves as well. Just click on this option here, normal to view. So in this way you can use the profile command, and with which you can simply add the curves, the profiles in a continuous manner. So better to use the profile command instead of the line command, which is very much time consuming. So in next tutorial we will see the rectangle types or circle types and all the profile tools we will see in the upcoming lecture. So thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.